Hey there! Today, let's tackle a problem related to managing events in Google Calendar. The issue at hand is optimizing a script that deletes old events and replaces them with new ones. The current script iterates through events within a defined date range, but it needs to be enhanced for more efficiency. This is where our solution comes into play. Now, diving into the solution provided, we'll focus on modifying the script using a batch request approach. By utilizing the batch request library for Google Apps Script and the Calendar API, we can streamline the process of deleting events in bulk. The code snippet shared showcases how to delete events within a specific date range using a batch request. This optimized method ensures a quicker and more effective way to manage events on your Google Calendar. To wrap things up, we've covered how to enhance the event deletion process in Google Calendar by implementing a batch request. This approach not only improves efficiency, but also simplifies the management of events in bulk. Remember, testing the script with sample events is always a good practice before applying it extensively. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below if you found this helpful. Who knows, maybe your events will thank you for the optimization.